How to make a paracord bracelet, Royal Lyon knot. Beautiful paracord bracelet designed by Cetus 550. On the end, if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and the family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube paracord community. For today's project we're gonna use this gold paracord 550 and this dark green paracord also 550. We're gonna use the paracord buckle 5/8 of an inch and the paracord jig. Before we start, if you wanna learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial how to make it you have in the top right corner of this video, information cards. Also there you can find the many other useful tutorials for many paracord projects, so check the information cards in the top right corner. Now we're gonna create the 4-strand bracelet core with 2 working ends. So we can start with our weaves. We're gonna take the gold and make it from the top into the middle. So from the top here in the middle. Now from the bottom side to the left. And then we're gonna return. We're gonna pass it on top of those first 2 core strands. And then we're gonna make it under the 3rd core strand, like so, under and on top of the last one, and we're gonna pull it to the side. So here we have created our 2 loops, the first one and the second one. Now we're gonna take the left working end of a green and make it on top of the gold one, and from the right side we're gonna pass it on top of the first core strand and then under the second and under the 3rd one. So we're gonna go under those 2 middle or center core strands and on top of the last one. Now we're gonna create the right side loop. So again, from the top into the gap between middle chords or center chords, and then to the side on the right. Then we're gonna return it and make it on top of those first 2 core strands, and then under the 3rd one and on top of the last one and to the side. And we're gonna take the right strand working end on top, and then from the left side on top of the first one, under the second and the 3rd, and on top of the last, but through the loop. This one and the side one. like so, as you can see, on top of the first one, under the second, under the third, and on top of the last core strand. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. See ya, bye!